Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Good evening guys, today I am going to show you how to color the lines or draw the color lines directly. So follow the steps. Draw a line. I will show you how to color the present line. Okay. You have a line. Okay, select the line and double click on the line. Right? Go to color by layer and change the color. You want red, you want yellow, you want green. Okay. And press and close it. Okay, now you got the color line of green. If you want to change this again, go to color and select the color. You have these many of options to change the color. You can select any of the color you want. In this one, press OK and the color is changed to pink. So now here you got a layer option. So you have only one layer present here. You want to add the layers. So here is the new tab. When you click on the layer properties, I will show you again guys. Here guys, press on this layer property and right click and new layer. You got a new layer and name that layer as wall. If you want to draw the walls, you can draw the walls. Now change the color, whichever color you want. I want wall color as green. Okay, green. Press OK. Okay. Add another new layer. Okay. This one I need it as window. Press enter and change the color to orange. Press OK. Now add another layer. So you can add how many layers you want, you can add. Now door. Okay, door. Press enter and press on the color and change the color to which color guys? Whichever you want. Okay, this one. Right. Okay. Again new layer. Now steps. Yes. Steps. Press enter and change the color to yellow and press OK. Okay guys, you have new 4 layers. You got new 4 layers. You have created a new 4 layers. Okay, close it. So now if you want to draw the wall, now go to this, press on wall and draw the line. You will get a green line. And now select the line. If you want a steps, then press on steps. Okay, next you want to draw a window. Okay, select the window and you will get the red line. That's it guys. You can add how much layers you want, you can add here. New layer, new layer, new layer. You can add, you can change color, you can color the lines. That's it about the colored line guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you guys.